Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to explain what customization in Odoo really means, but not in a confusing or technical way. We will use one simple business, one real day-to-day sales operations, and only two customizations. And most importantly, we will see how DearERP does this customization using simple AI prompts without complex coding explanations. No theory, no noise, only real understanding. So let's grab a coffee and get started the video. Before we go into the example, let's first clearly understand what customization in Odoo actually means. Customization in Odoo means adapting Odoo to match your business process instead of changing your business to fit the software. Odoo is designed to be modular, flexible, highly customizable. That means Odoo already provides the building blocks. Customization is how we arrange and control those blocks according to company rules. Customization can happen at many levels: user interface, business logic, reports, automation, integrations, and security. In this video, we will not cover everything. We will focus on only two types of customization using one real sales operation, so the idea becomes crystal clear. Let's imagine a company called Nova Traders. Nova Traders sells laptops and electronic accessories. Their sales team works daily inside Auto Sales, and the only operation we will talk about in this video is creating and confirming a sales order, nothing else. In standard Odoo, the flow is simple. A salesperson opens a sales order, select a customer, add products, and click confirm. But Nova Traders faces problems. Important business information is missing. High value orders are confirmed without control. Managers get visibility only after confirmation. So the company says Odoo works, but it does not follow our business rule. This gap between standard Odoo and business reality is exactly where customization comes in. When we discuss about the customization, if we are not discussing regarding the DRP, this is completely a justice matter, because DearERP is actually created for the customization only, because Odoo's default code is completely editable by any developer, but it may take time when the developer develop or work on the customization process, where their ERP comes in the matter and solve the things through the prompts only. So we will move for the UI customization here and see how things are getting executed according to the requirement. So Nova Trader says, before confirming any sales order, our sales team must enter customer purchase reference, expected delivery. These fields must be mandatory, and salespeople should not see unnecessary fields. Now listen carefully. This customization does not change how sales works, how prices are calculated, and how invoices are created. It changes only one thing: what the salesperson sees and must fill on the screen. Now I'll move to the Dear ERP, taking the customization here and gives it regarding the customization, then we'll see how things are getting executed. So I'm pasting the requirement here, which actually contains the business scenario and customization requirement, which we have discussed earlier about it. Again, I'm repeating here: customize the sales order form, add mandatory fields. Number one, customer purchase reference, and number two is expected delivery, and hide unnecessary or technical fields from sales users. Prevent saving or confirming the sales order if required fields are missing. And also taking care with this, do not change pricing, logic, approvals, or accounting. Focus only on user interface and data capture enforcement. Explain how the UI ensures correct data entry. I'll simply click on the new chat here, then I'll move and I paste again here. and make sure this should be in write mode when read mode is disabled. Let's wait for some time. Amazing! Now this requirement is created. So Nova Traders sales order customization completed successfully. We will check step by step. First thing, mandatory custom fields are created. Like as we requested, customer purchase reference should be reflect in the sales order or quotation. Also expected delivery date. So it is provided the links also here. And next one here, custom views also created, validations and automations also. And then how the UI ensures correct data entry. So both mandatory field display prominently at the top of the form and other required information also getting displayed. So we will check how and what changes are made by the tool. So that's the reason I am moving into the Odoo and check the sales. So I'm creating the RFQ quotation here. So I am filling customer details without filling customer purchase reference and also expected delivery. Simply I am moving for saving the changes. Save manually. It won't get saved because as we requested to the tool, it has to make this is mandatory. So when it is mandatory and applied by the tool, we cannot move further without filling these details. So once I am filling all these details, expected delivery also, then when I click save manually, it is getting saved. Perfect. So we have to understand the before and after scenario here. What happens before customization? Salesperson enter partial data and confirms the order. After customization, the system forces the salesperson to enter required business details before the order can be saved or confirmed. Same sales order, same confirm button, much better control. So what exactly being customized here? We are not changing the sales process. We are customizing the sales order screen, which fields are visible, which fields are mandatory. In simple words, we can say we are controlling the screen, not the workflow. That is why this is called UI customization. Now I am moving to the next customization here, that is workflow customization. Who can confirm the order? Now comes the second requirement here. Nova traders add one more rule. If a sales order value is above 5 lakhs, a salesperson must not confirm it. A sales manager must approve it first. This is very important. This customization does not mean adding new fields, redesigning the screen, changing the UI. This customization means controlling actions and permission. This is called workflow customization. So I am moving into the DearERP, taking the prompt, and then I'll give this. So I'm moving into the execution mode here, then I'll give this prompt. Let's wait for some time. Amazing. Now second requirement also get created. So as stating here, Nova Traders high value order approval workflow is completed successfully. So I'll move into the Odoo and check step by step. So I'm opening Odoo here, then we'll move into the sales. Before that, we have to keep in mind what kind of the requirement we have given to this DearERP. So we have stated whenever a salesperson create the invoice or sales order, if amount is getting high more than 5 lakhs, then it has to approve by the manager only. A salesperson cannot approve by himself only. So I'm moving into the new quotation here. So simply I'm filling the customer details and customer purchase reference here, then expected delivery date, which is actually mandatory, it cannot proceed without it. So then I'm adding one product here. So product, this one. So simply I'm moving to add the quantity in here. Then I'll move to add the more products, which has to reach to the more than 5 lakhs. So this customizable disk here. So simply I'm increasing the quantity here. Then I'll confirm it. So I'll increase the unit price, which actually stands 50,000 here. Then um, immediately it get increased 5,50,000. Simply when I save this, it is getting saved. So when I'm confirming it or send by email, so got one pop-up here which is actually stating this order exceeds the approval threshold of 5 lakhs NR. So please request approval from a sales manager before confirming. So when I can get access this for this approving this one, use action menu, gear icon, then this custom Nova traders temporary. When I'm clicking here, it is getting access. So when I confirm this, it is getting confirmed. So like this configurations also handled by the DearERP itself. So whatever the required links regarding the custom fields and enforcement mechanism, it is getting appear here. We can directly move from here also. So our goal is here enforce approval logic through workflow control, ensure compliance and management visibility. So this is how DearERP applies workflow rules using clear prompts. So what customization? Customization does not always mean heavy coding. Customization means forcing correct data entry, controlling actions, making Odoo flow business rules. In our example, UI customization controls what must be filled and workflow customization controls who can confirm. So we took one business, one operation, two simple rules, and we saw how their ERP driven Odoo customization works in real life. If you understand this example, you understand most real world Odoo customization. If this explanation helped you, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.